Okay guys, and it's Tuesday. We are back. We're back into the office. Trading floor is running and the market is running as well. You know, besides some low volatility yesterday we had because of the Easter break. We had from Friday, Saturday and Sunday, of course, normal, and then Monday. Majority, would say 75-80% of the G10 economies were shut down, all right, because of the Good Friday as well as the Easter. So now we're back to the market, and I want to talk about what's going to happen this week because we didn't have a video yesterday. So I'm just going to do a little rundown on what we're going to have today and this whole week, of course. And I want to as well say congratulations to us because we've just reached it. Well, right now we are at 100 subscribers, but let me check again on my Telegram if we got any new one. We are at 103 subscribers at the Telegram. So the goal was 100 subscribers at the first quarter. We've reached it just on the last minute. And as promised, I will release the surprise on this Friday, all right? So stay tuned because I'm putting everything together to release the surprise on Friday, this Friday here. So subscribe to the channel as you don't miss the video on Friday, so you know what we're going to be talking about. And if you're not one of those 103 people yet on the Telegram, so do it. Go down at the description of this video and click on the join Telegram channel or join Telegram. Click in the link that says Telegram and you will be redirected to the Telegram, and click on join on the group and you will be receiving every day, most of the days, if we have something to talk about, of course. I'm not going to interrupt for nothing, but if we have something interesting to talk about, you're going to be receiving directly on your phone, fundamental analysis, data analysis, and so on. Okay, so now I hope everyone had a good break. Happy Easter, everyone, and let's get into it and see what this week awaiting us. All right, this week will be very, very volatile. All right, it's going to have lots and lots of things happening. We just had some things yesterday, but nothing too big. But today, Tuesday, right on the start of Tuesday, midnight 45 a.m. here on Sydney, Australia, we had manufacturing PMI for US, and after that we had as well as the Fed GDP now, the Atlanta Fed GDP now. Manufacturing PMIs came a bit lower than what was expected. All right, but what made the US dollar be very, very strong was definitely the Fed GDP now quarter one that came 0.5% higher than expected. All right, so the consensus was at 2.3%. The previous was at 2.3%. So when these things happens, when the previous is, let's say, 1 and the consensus it's same as the previous. And the actual came in much higher or much lower, you can expect a lot of volatility into the market already, because think about that, right? You have the previous, this scenario here at 2.3%, and the consensus was at 2.3% as well. So what the market was expecting is nothing changes from quarter one last year to quarter one this year, and this is a span of time of 1 year span of time, sorry. So it is a big take in a sense for nothing to happen, right? But then the actual came in at 2.8%, so 0.5 higher than what was expected to be. And this, of course, dragged the US dollar much higher than expected, dragging Euro dollar down, Aussie dollar down, New Zealand dollar down, USD JPY a little bit up, tick up, but still sideways. But definitely, you know, it will pick it up a little bit more volatility as we progress through the year. Now, we did add manufacturing PMI for Australia as well, coming 1.3% higher than 1.3 points higher than expected. What we're going to have today is we're going to have Spanish unemployment change, Spanish manufacturing PMI. We're going to have French manufacturing PMI, German manufacturing PMI, manufacturing PMIs for Europe, German CPI month over month and year over year. And this will definitely bring lots and lots of volatility for the euro dollar. All right. The consensus are all a little bit, at the mid-range of as expected or lower than the previous. So in a sense, the biggest take for today would be the German CPI, all right, month over month, expected to be a little bit a tick up from the previous month of February. So from February, we had 0.4% inflation on the month, and now they are expecting 0.5% from March. All right, so from February to March, 0.1% higher. So now, this, of course, will bring lots and lots of volatility for today, but right in the corner of Wednesday, just as we turn for Wednesday at midnight, we're going to have JOLTS for the job openings for February on US. And this will bring much more volatility because after that, we're going to have lots and lots of speeches from FOMC, from the Federal Open Market Committee. They will be Bowman, Williams, Master, and Daly. All right, those are the three ones that will be will be giving any speech to us. What the market wants to look at these when it comes to speeches: who are hawkish and who are dovish. All right. Now, the market is priced in a cut for June. I've mentioned that. All right, we are a month away from 2 months away from June, and we're very close. If you stop for a bit, think a little bit, and look, okay, June is right in the corner. The market needs to know what are those members from the FOMC that actually take the decision. Get the paper, look at the numbers. I want to vote to be a cut. I want to vote to be a pause. And these are the guys that the market want to hear. And these are the guys that will be speaking just on Wednesday, right in the corner of Wednesday, right? So tomorrow. So pay attention on those things. If not enough, then we're going to have CPIs, core CPIs, unemployment rate for Europe, all right? CPI month over month don't have a consensus yet, but the year over year is expected to become a little bit lower. So the core CPI a little bit lower, as the CPI year over year as well to be declining a little bit. Now, going to Thursday, we're going to have services PMI for US. That's going to achieve a lot of volatility on the market as well. And we're going to have ISM non-manufacturing PMI prices. Definitely will bring US dollar to be the star of the day on Thursday, right? And we do have some orders that I will be disclosing tonight on my webinar. So if you want to be part of the webinar tonight, it's free, no charges. All you have to do is go to the link on the description of this video, or even easier than that, just open a new tab on the Google app or whatever where you're watching these. If you watch on your iPhone, go to Safari. If you're watching on the desktop, just open a new Google page and go to ACY website. All right, and click on the market or education and go to webinars and seminars and register. All right, guys. So I see everyone tonight. We will be discussing what are the opportunities that are showing off this week. All right, there's lots and lots of opportunities happening. So if you want to know those opportunities as well as finishing up the economic calendar with me, be ready for tonight, 6 to 7 p.m. on Sydney time. All right, guys, please subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.